guys, so today we are going to play with the Maleficent. Come on, focus, work with me. The Maleficent palette, because it's not going to focus, so we're just going to roll with it. I have no clue what I want to do today. So, I know we're going to pair it with the Norvina palette because the eyeshadow is this beautiful purple color, which nothing's focusing today. Awesome. It's this beautiful purple color, so I want to pair it with the purple and pink and blue tones inside Norvina. So, I'm going to go ahead and swatch things for you, and then I'm going to throw my face on, and then we'll play with colors. So, the makeup on the palette looks adorable. This one is called Mistress of All Evil. And, again, these highlighters are super soft feeling. I didn't clean off the swatches off the other side of my hand, so just ignore that lipstick. It stained my hand. But this is a gorgeous champagne color. It's honestly... Let me see if I can't get this open over here. I mean, it could almost be a dupe for the Champagne Pop. I'm sorry, Opal by Becca. Don't listen to me. Don't know my highlighters today. But honestly, I mean, it could be a straight dupe. It is just gorgeous. And I don't think this one's getting given away. Let's just go ahead and get right into the eyeshadow and show you what this bad boy looks like. Oh, this one also. All of these have been like exploding everywhere for me. I don't know what's going on or why they're exploding. But here, let me give you, it's like a sheen purple. Let me get some on my little phalange here. That was a bad swatch. Hold on. Oh boy. It's stuck. Alright, so this one seems a bit patchy, so I don't know what's going on here. But it is a metallic. It almost looks like it has blue shifts in it. I'm trying to get the groove today, guys. I'm sorry. But it's this purple, beautiful shimmer. Let's go ahead and go in with the... Let me backtrack. The name of the color is called Spindle, which makes sense. The lip gloss is like a silvery. It does have some purple hints in it. It's called My Pet. No Broken Brush. This one smells vanilla-y. Oh, it's a very clear top, like, it just looks like a shimmery top coat. I don't even know if you can see it right there. And then the lipstick is just called Maleficent, and I keep trying to find it, but it is like a berry color. And it is right here. Again, ignore the swatch on the side. These stain your lips, which I'm okay with, because it means if I smear a little bit, my lips still kind of give it that illusion that I still have something there. So now that I've swatched these for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and throw my face on my face. And I'm probably going to wipe off the swatches so I don't like set it down like yesterday with the gold where it got all over. And then I will get back to you and we can start doing an eye look, okay? So, be right back, guys. Alright guys, it's like a bit later. I took like 3 phone calls. Sorry. So, we're going to go in with the Norvina palette. I have nothing interesting to talk to you about today. I say that every video, but I mean it this time. What am I going to do? I have a purple. I'm going to go in with Love. I didn't even think. That one, yeah. Don't mind me. I have the hiccups now. I got your mind. So, what's new with y'all? What is good in the hood? I am hungry. I also want to go buy like 26 more houseplants. I was taking care of my plants this morning and now I'm just like, I need more. Why don't I have more plants? I could love more plants. I don't know why I recently like fell in love with taking care of houseplants. I never used to. Like, and I used to like really kill them all the time and now I'm just like, but I could have more. I could do more. I know it's like a really weird thing to like, but I think they're cute. And they make me feel like spring. Like, it feels nice. Like, I got my little cactus dude sitting back there from the one vlog. Although I don't know if that vlog's updated yet. And then I got a guy, like, right here. And I missed a hair tweezing. Oh well. I'm gonna go in with salt and deepen it up. I'm really feeling sushi today, but I don't know if I can convince Ryan to spend money on sushi, because like sushi's expensive. I don't dock him for not wanting to spend the money, but at the same time I'm like, but bro, sushi. This is one of the most random dialogues I've ever had with you guys, so I apologize for that. You know. Oh well. So you'll see it eventually, but I actually did like an Inception thing where I was vlogging before I started recording this video. And we have to go and get Ryan's, a hose for Ryan's truck to finish fixing it, because he got in an accident yesterday, and as I shake the whole camera, it's really great. He got into an accident yesterday. He's okay. The car is not. And so we have to fix that. But thankfully he's completely okay. Nothing bad happened. Nothing along the sorts. I'm going to use this color out here. I don't even know the name of it. Drama. I'm going to put drama in the outer corner. Darken it up before I go in with our Disney color that I'm blanking on the name of right now. So, I think he said we have to fix like a hose or something is the issue. I'm not entirely sure. I'll find out though, won't I? Oh well. It was kind of, it was kind of funny and kind of not, because he was like, he sent me a message and it was like, call me once you wake up, and I was like, oh. I called him and I'm like half awake, and I was like, what do you need? Like, what is so pressing? And he's like, so I got in an accident. And I was like, that brush is gone. I was like, are you okay? Like, started freaking out. And he's like, no, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. Car's not. Well, I'm getting demonetized. Sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with our color. I'm going to put it across my whole lid, but then I'm going to lighten it up with some pink in the inner corner to give it dimension. Where are my tweezers? There it is. Oh yeah, so pro tip, I don't know if I talked about this. When I'm talking about, they have this little cover to keep it, so you can't just like accidentally gouge it, right? They have this little thing. I can't for the life of me, I for the life of me can't grip it, so I've been going in with tweezers to get this little dude off. So that makes sense for you guys. Let's go in with some purple, huh? That is electric. Alright, and I'm going to, alright, this is dry. I can go ahead and go in. I'm just going to put a little bips and bops of pink on the inside corner. And I'm going to use, I think, Wild Child. You just kind of want to see, don't you? Sorry. Well, this is just fun makeup look. I am living. I'm going to go ahead and take some more of that Love, which was the original pink that we used, and bring it down underneath here. Boom shakalaka. Alright, so you know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and show you the highlights. Oh, as I knock everything over. Highlight my face, then I will throw on some mascara. I'm going to try to go in with my fan brush again today, since this is kind of like a, oh, honey. You know what? I want to shine like heavens today. Shining. Ooh, girl. I'm going in because I had someone message me who said that I wasn't going in enough. We in it, honey. We in this. Alright, guys. I'm living for this look so far. So, I can't decide if I actually want to wear lipstick, though. You know what? Let's do it. This is a fun color. Let's let this, again, I didn't bring something to blot. I got it something, come on. No, I actually don't. We're gonna do this. This is not how you blot. Like Buddy the Elf. Alright. And let's see what it looks like with this on top. Ooh, it does stain the tip a little bit, but just the tip. Ooh, get that cotton ball off there. That looks pretty, guys. Oh my goodness. Here, hold on. My hair's a hot mess, but just that way it... Ooh, guys, look at this. Alright, so I'm a fan. 10 out of 10. And I think it gives just the right pop with the Norvina palette. I think that just looks stunning, and I would totally wear this. It is just the right purple. Don't get me wrong. The Celestial in here is just as gorgeous. But I think this gives it that extra pop. You don't have to put down concealer. You save yourself an extra step. So, this is the Maleficent look. To be honest, I'm probably going to give away the highlighter. Only because it is so similar to Becca's, and I already have Becca's. So, but I'm probably going to keep everything else. I'm not good at this. We'll see. Actually, this color isn't like something I would typically grab, so I might give this away too. However, I am kind of living for it right now with this look. So, that is the complete look, you guys. Hopefully you liked part 5 of 7. We only have 2 more left. Who do we have left? Ursula and really, really bad, but the Princess and the Frog was after me, so I don't know the name of the villain, but it's that guy. It's, Dr. Facilier? I'm sorry, guys. Failing the younger generation. But that is it, guys. So if you liked what you saw today, and if you want to see some more, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, leave me ideas if you guys want to see anything, and become part of the Nomies. I will see you guys next week with part 6.